Boom.
Big one.
Big one. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it. Let's bake cookies. Yeah. Boom.
I want that one.
Yeah. Oh, watch out. Okay, we'll put it in the middle. Mummy's gonna put them in the middle. Look, I want to show it. Guys, look. We're gonna say hi to everyone. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to attempt to make these cookies. They're pre-made cookies. We are not going to do them from scratch. That would be a bad idea with twin toddlers. And yeah, my twins are going to be joining us in the kitchen today. So I've got Ivy here and Remy here, and they are going to be my little kitchen helpers, aren't you? Are you guys going to share?
Yeah.
You say that now, but we'll see. All right, so this will be interesting. We're going to be making these deluxe raspberry white chocolate cookies. Let's see if I can get them off Remy. Remy, Mummy needs to open the packet, baby. Tough.
Yeah.
Thanks, baby.
Right there.
Is that what I do? I open it there?
Yeah.
It says, place cookie mix and egg and butter into a mixing bowl. Mix with the wooden spoon. Knead until we form a dough. Okay, I think we can do that. Ready? Okay. Let's open it.
Mommy do it.
Oh, can you pull that out?
Yeah.
Thank you.
I'll
Okay, good job. And Ivy, that was all that was in there. So Mummy's gonna get some scissors and we're gonna pour it into the bowl, okay? Here we go. It's gonna get messy up in here. What we'll do, baby, is we'll put it all in the big one and then we'll make some little one for you, okay? We're just gonna separate it out first. All right, but you have to let Ivy pour some too, Remy, okay? Remy, pour some. Good job. Yummy. Keep going. Bit more. Okay, and now Ivy's turn. Oh, okay. Never mind. Good job, baby. Okay. Remy, can we move your drill? Can Mummy move your drill?
Yeah.
Okay. Might move it out of the kitchen for a second. Can you keep pouring some in here?
Yeah.
Pour that in there for Mummy. Thank you.
My turn.
Get the scissors out of the kitchen. Oh, yeah, making a bit of a mess. All right, Ivy's turn. Ooh, good
Mommy,
job.
look there.
Yeah, lots in there. Good job. Not yet. Oh, you can stir it. You can stir it. All right, Mummy's just gonna finish pouring it in. Good job. All right, get the last of it out for Mummy. Ta. Pour it in your bowl. Good job. Cool. All right, doesn't actually say what temperature, but I'll just go for 180 and I'll keep an eye on it. Okay, Mummy needs to get an egg. So I'm gonna get an egg. Yep, Mummy. Yes, an egg. Oh, there's one here. Hold on, just one. Mummy will hold this one. Hold on, baby. Mummy will hold it. Okay. All right, Mummy's gonna crack the egg and make sure it's okay. Okay. Mummy might do this one, okay? Ready? Crack! Oh, it's broken. Wow. Okay, ready? Ooh, yummy. What we're gonna do is put that in here. So actually, Ivy, can you put all of yours in here with Remy's? You gonna look okay? They wanna spoon the egg first. All right. Good job, guys. Remy, you want to pour it in for Mummy? Oops, no, pour it all in. Just pour it in. Okay, never mind. I wonder if these are going to turn out. Oh, okay, good job, chicken.
That's a big one.
That's a big one. All right, can you mix that up? Mix it up. Great job. We need to add some butter. You guys, yeah, pour the butter in. Oh no, chicken. Okay, Mummy's gonna pour it and you guys stir. All right, can you please stir, baby girl? Good job. Yeah? It's cookies. We're gonna make cookies. Yeah, but I think we need to add yours into this bigger bowl. So we need to, can you scoop it into here with Remy's? Good job. Pour it in. Get it all out. And now I need you guys to mix it. Oh, mix it really well. Do you want Mummy to mix it?
Mom mixed it.
You mix it. Okay, you guys mix it, please. Thank you. Mummy might mix it and make it into a dough.
Dough.
Dough, yeah.
Dough.
Yeah, Okay, you do it then, baby. And then tell Mummy when you're finished so I can make it into a dough. Can I keep going?
Yeah,
Yeah. Okay, you're all done. Great job.
It's ready.
It's not ready yet. We got to make it into a dough. Okay, Mummy is going to put that in here. I'm going to use my hands.
In my hand.
Yeah. Roll up your sleeves, guys. It's going to get messy. Mummy's just going to make it. Yeah, hold on. Nearly. Ooh, is that some egg?
Yes. Uh-oh.
Uh-oh. It's egg yolk. I mean egg white.
Yeah.
It's egg white.
Egg white.
Egg white.
Mommy.
So Mummy is going to scoop out some of this and you guys are going to roll it for Mummy. Can you do that?
Yeah.
You can roll it?
Use hammer.
Use a hammer?
Okay.
Oh, I don't know about that.
Mommy, use
Yeah.
a hammer.
Okay, well, we'll use something, maybe a spoon. I guess you can use a hammer.
Hammer.
Hammer? All right. Okay, see the dough?
No, Mommy.
Okay, do you want to try a little bit of the dough?
No.
It's nice.
Mommy, it's cookies.
It's cookies, yeah. Sorry, it doesn't look like cookies yet, does it? All right.
Yeah.
All right, cookies are coming. Cookie. Here's our tray. All right.
Oh,
Ooh. You guys can have one tray each. Okay. And Mummy's going to put on some baking paper for you. Like that. Like that. Here we go.
Hammer.
Yeah, not hammer, baby. We'll use a spoon. Mummy will get out.
Mommy, hammer.
You want a hammer? Here, can you roll these for Mummy? Here, you roll that one, Ivy. And Mummy will get one for Remy. Here, Bubba. Okay.
Mommy, I got one.
You got one?
Hammer.
Okay. Up. Here, baby. Try this one. Good job. Try that one.
Hammer.
Okay. Scoop it like that. Oh. And roll it. Can you roll it? Roll it into a ball, baby. Remy, you want to roll it into a ball?
That one.
Okay.
Hammer. Cookie.
More cookies. All right. More cookies coming up. You keep rolling, baby, but you want to keep them separate. So like keep them like that and like maybe another one up here. Good girl. Remy, do you want Mummy to help?
Mommy.
What did you make, buddy?
Snake.
A snake? You want a snake cookie? Ivy, can you keep rolling them? Thank you, baby.
Yeah.
All right. Sure, buddy. All right. Here, mate. This one. Oh, all right. Oh, no. Uh-oh. It's not Play-Doh. It's cookies. Can you roll it into a ball?
Yeah.
Yeah, thanks, Bubba. And then you put them on here. All right, I think we know who's going to be the baker. Good job, chicken.
Yeah.
Yep, good job. Mummy might fix that one. Oh, good job, Remy. Good job, Bubba. All right, do you want to do this one too?
Yeah.
Yeah, good boy. Roll it up.
Hammer.
You've already done a lot, baby girl.
Okay.
Yeah, all right. Mummy's just going to fix these ones over here and then we'll put them in the oven. Not quite sure what to do about this one. What do we do about this one? Put it over there?
Yeah.
All right. Maybe that one can just be a mini one, a mini cookie. Mini cookie. Ooh. All right. Actually, I'll take some of this one.
Mommy,
Yeah.
I do this one.
Okay, good job,
I
Papa.
want to take it in the oven.
You want to put it in the oven? Yeah. All right. Well, Mummy might put it in the oven because it's hot. These ones are ready to go. Good job, chicken. Can you put it here for Mummy and I'll put it in the oven for you? Good job. All right. Into the oven.
Take the oven.
Magic's going to happen. You got to wait.
Beautiful.
Yeah, and remember what we say when we're waiting? Patience, patience, patience. Okay, what's this on the floor? What's all this cookie dough over here? All right, cookie dough on the floor. Do you guys want to play with that while we wait for... Oh, there's more here. Here, you can have some more. There's more here. Oh, it was just on the floor, buddy. Maybe don't eat that. Here, Mummy will take it. Mummy will take that. This one wasn't on the floor. You can have this one. Ta, swap. Put this one in the bin. I should have seen that coming. Now we wait. You like cookie dough, do you, buddy?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Wash my hands.
Yeah, we'll wash your hands. Do you want big cookies or little cookies?
Big cookies.
Big cookies?
Yeah.
What about you? What do you want? You want a little cookie? Okay. And what flavour cookie do you want? Strawberry. Okay, well that's kind of close. These are raspberry and white chocolate. Yummy. Does that sound nice?
Yes.
Yes. You guys don't eat many cookies. This is a little treat, isn't it?
Sweet.
Little treat. It'll be yummy.
Mom, then we want a big treat.
Remy wants a big treat? Yeah, that doesn't surprise me. Remy? Yes, mister?
I want a vitamin. Yeah.
You want a vitamin?
I want a vitamin up there.
Okay, you guys can have a vitamin. There you go. Yummy. These are Kid Smart Vita Gummies, multivitamin and veggies. They love them. I think it just tastes like a little treat, so they're obsessed. How old are you guys? Do you want to tell them how old you are now?
I'm 2.
Good girl, you're 2. What's your name? What's your name, Remy?
Mummy.
Good boy. Your name's Remy? What's your name, chicken?
Ivy.
Ivy.
Cookie, Ivy.
Yep. Is Remy your brother?
Yeah.
Yeah. Twin brother?
It's my twin brother.
No, Ivy's your twin sister. She's your twin sister. That's silly.
I'm not brother.
No, you're his sister. Yes, you guys are. Oh dear, my ears. Oh, thanks, chicken. Whoa. We weren't sure how the filming was going to go today because they woke up in an absolute mood this morning and they were just out to destroy my husband and I. So we did it and they're in a good mood because they just had a nap. So, You want to tell everyone how you say cuddle? What's Daddy got? Camera, that's right. Is Daddy going to eat a cookie?
No.
Oh, why not? How many cookies is Remy going to eat?
1, 2, 3.
Oh, 3? How many cookies is Ivy going to eat?
1, 2, 3.
What about Mummy? How many cookies can I eat?
1, 2, 3.
What about Daddy? How many cookies can Daddy eat?
1, 2, 3. Mommy gets a big one cookie.
You want a big one or Mummy gets a big one?
Mommy gets big one.
Oh, lucky Mummy.
My big one.
Yeah.
I need a big one.
Mummy has to check on the cookies. Can you go hop down? Where's Remy gone? Go peekaboo, Daddy.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. Where's Daddy?
Yeah.
There he is. Mummy's gonna check.
Hello.
They smell good. Nearly done. That's the microphone. When I speak, people can hear it and they can hear you too.
Yes.
Yeah. Oh my goodness, poor Mummy. My back. You gonna climb up? Okay, hold on, climb up. Okay. Oh. Snap. Snap. Snap, snap. Whoa, we're waiting, aren't we? Waiting. Oh. Patience. Oh. Hey, baby. Thank you for my cuddles. Oh, thanks, guys. Whoa. All right. Wow. You can have a cuddle too. It's okay. Dearie me. Oh my God. This is like story of my life. I just get climbed like a tree. All right, Mummy's gonna have a look at the cookies. All right, what are you doing? Why?
Hop down.
Yeah, you guys need to hop down. The chaos and the stress. Yeah, so normally they're not in the kitchen. This is our safe place because we have a baby gate. It's there for health and safety reasons, more probably mental health reasons. So my husband and I have a safe space where we can like make a tea or like if I'm cooking hot things, like sharp knives and that kind of thing that I don't have access to. Because they're menaces. Like, look, they're touching. No, don't pull her hair. Don't pull her hair. That's not very nice, Remy. Say sorry. Say sorry. Say sorry. Good boy. Thank you. Oh, yeah. No. Hop out, Papa. You can't have that. Okay, guitar. All right. This is why they're not allowed in the kitchen. They learn how to bust baby locks so they can just like get into everything now. Okay, thank you. Out of here. Yeah, that's a treat. Not for now. Aren't you going to have a cookie?
Yes.
Yes. Okay, well, that's your treat.
Treat.
Yeah, I'm getting you a treat. I'm getting you cookies. Okay, the cookies are coming out, ready or not, because it's hectic up in here and stressful. Can you please leave that there, baby? Thank you. I know. Mummy's getting out the cookies for us. Yummy, 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 but they're hot. Okay? They're really hot. You're gonna have to cool down for a minute. Mummy's just gonna get one off the tray so it cools down faster. I'm gonna put the cookie here.
Yeah.
Okay? You too. Thank you. It's all right. Now they're actually super, super hot. So Mummy's gonna put it in the fridge for a minute. Yeah, you have to blow it, but it's very, very hot. It's piping hot. Put it in the fridge for a second. All right, come here, baby. Now, it's still gonna be a little bit warm. Break it open. Ooh, yeah, yummy. We'll break this one open and we can share. Yeah. Mommy will break off a little bit and let it cool down. They're nice and like fluffy in the middle, and then they got the chocolate chip and raspberry chunks. Blow it, okay, baby. Mommy might break off a little bit for you. That one. Okay, just eat the edge. Yeah. We'll try it. Mmm. You like it? Yummy.
That is yummy.
It's yummy?
Yeah.
Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today, guys. Hope you liked this video. Please make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already.